Hey guys, Cars on the Fritz here, coming to you while doing some routine maintenance on the JK here. Ooh, all dirty like most Jeeps should be. Uh, just putting in some brake fluid and some power steering fluid and checking the oil because, it's an '09 and makes some creaks and squeaks and leaks a little bit like most good vehicles do. I figured I would, make sure it's doing all right. So I bought a tripod. That's why I look. Look at all the distance. Now you don't have to stare at my ugly mug so close. So I want to give a shout out to these guys here, Aluminati Garage. I met him on Facebook. He makes some really cool parts for F100s, and he sent me some stickers. He's up there in New York. You guys can look him up on Facebook and give him a shout out. Check out his work. He makes some really, really awesome looking front and rear spoilers out of aluminum for like the F100s. Pretty cool. Really neat to see people, still sending out stickers and stuff. With how difficult stuff is today and how hard the times are. But let's see, I haven't done anything to the F100, still just sitting here. But yeah, here's the Jeep all dirty in its glory. And just making sure she keeps running the way she does and get the most out of it. What I really got to do is fix the four-wheel drive, because I broke the about a year and a half ago, which is horrible that I've let it sit for this long, but life gets in the way. A year and a half ago I was out on the trail and was cruising along in two-wheel drive, and finally got to a point. We were doing a night trail, and I finally got to a point where I felt like I actually needed four-wheel drive, and I went to shift into four-wheel drive, and like it didn't do anything, and I was on a downgrade, so I rolled down the downgrade in two-wheel drive, got to the bottom, and it wouldn't engage any gear, nothing, all 1 through 6, not a single gear would engage at all. And so I got down there, and a couple of my buddies climbed under the Jeep, and yeah, it turns out it was the transfer case shifter cable, because there's a tiny little plastic grommet that holds that shifter cable onto the linkage, and on these JKs, when those get old, they just crumble, so that's exactly what happened. So we shifted the Jeep into four-wheel high and finished the trail, and then got to the end of the trail and got back onto the Jeep, shifted it into two-wheel drive, and I drove it home, and it's been like that ever since. I have no four-wheel drive selector, so that's pretty funny. And like it's like $60 for the part. I just haven't got around to it because you're always lazy when working on your own stuff or working on a daily driver. You let stuff be as bad as it can be for the most part. But all right, guys, we're gonna get out. I think I'm gonna try and get tires for the truck. It looks like I can get some tires, all 4 tires, decent tires, for like $300, $350 from discount or America Tire, depending on where you are in the continental United States. And we'll get some tires on that, and then it's going to become, I'm going to drive it back and forth to work, and we're going to go out to the lake and really start doing some stuff, get life back to whatever normal it can be. Oh, someone needs power steering. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate your likes and your subscribes and your watches and your comments. Definitely leave me comments. Give me something to reply to. You know, give me a reason to keep making these, a little bit of vlog videos along with the car videos. And all right, guys. You guys have a good day.